Sa isinagawang financial briefing ng GMA Network, iniulat ng mga opisyal nito na umaabot na sa 9.752 billion pesos ang consolidated revenues ng kumpanya nitong unang tatlong quarter ng 2013. Mas mataas ng 4% kumpara sa parehong panahon ng isang taon. Naniniwala ang mga opisyal ng Kapuso Network na matatapatan kung hindi man malalagpasan ang financial performance ng kumpanya noong isang taon.
I think we can project a better 2014 than 2013. What happened in the third quarter of 2013 was that the industry ad spend, total industry, went down. These were led by the big advertisers. Fortunately, most of them are returning this fourth quarter.
There is optimism that our fourth quarter this year will be a far improvement from that of the previous year.
Ibinalita rin ng mga opisyal ng network na GMA7 pa rin ang nangunguna sa Urban Luzon at Mega Manila sa third quarter ng taon base sa leading rating service provider na Nielsen TV Audience Measurement. Sa Urban Luzon, kung nasaan ang 76% ng total urban TV household sa bansa, nagtala ang Kapuso Network ng 38.1% household audience share, lamang ng 7.8 points sa ABS-CBN at angat ng 26.4 points sa TV5. Sa baluarte nitong Mega Manila, nakakuha ito ng 39.5% household audience share, mas mataas ng 11.2 points sa ABS-CBN at 27 points na lamang sa TV5. Mas pag-iibayuhin pa raw ng Kapuso Network ang mga programa sa darating na taon para mapanatili ang #1 spot.
We are trying very hard to improve our programming and our ratings. That is the focus of our attention now. Marami silang maaasahan and hopefully better programs than what we have been offering before.
Julio Segovia, GMA News.